Setting up a living room layout involves careful planning to create a functional and visually appealing space. The right layout can enhance the flow of the room, optimize seating arrangements, and make the most of available space. Start by measuring the dimensions of your living room, including the length, width, and height. Take note of any architectural features, such as windows, doors, or fireplace, as they will affect the layout. Determine the focal point of your living room. It could be a fireplace, a large window with a view, a TV, or a piece of art. Orient furniture around this focal point to create a natural gathering area. Consider the primary functions of your living room, such as entertaining guests, watching TV, or reading. Arrange seating areas to cater to these activities. Create a conversational grouping with sofas and chairs facing each other, or position TV for comfortable viewing. Ensure there is enough space for easy movement within the room. Avoid placing furniture in pathways or blocking doorways. Aim for a clear and unobstructed traffic flow to enhance the overall functionality of the space. Rugs can help define different areas within the living room. Use rugs to anchor seating groups and create a cohesive look. Arrange furniture so that it rests partially or entirely on the rug, depending on the size of the room and the furniture pieces. Create a sense of balance and symmetry in your living room layout. Arrange furniture in a way that visually balances the room and avoids overcrowding one side. Symmetry can be achieved by placing identical pieces on either side of the room's focal point. Incorporate storage solutions such as cabinets, shelves, or built-in bookcases to keep the living room organized and clutter-free. Functional storage can also serve as consider lighting needs in living room. Incorporate a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create the right ambience. Floor lamps, table lamps, and pendant can all contribute to a well-lit and inviting space. Enhances your home's overall appeal. Follow us and get more details.